If you guys want to get notified whenever I buy or sell a player, make sure to follow me on ultimatetrader.club, sign up for free now, and check how I make coins with my trading journal. How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. Today we need to address the ones to watch again, as I think I was a little bit unclear on my last video. What could happen? I generalized the ones to watch to be the cheapest on Thursday morning, but the situation is way more complex than that. If we analyze more closely ones to watch cards, we can see that some are hyped up in the expectation of them being in the next team of the week. Now, the cards that are expected to get in form but won't be in the new team of the week will almost definitely have a close low point, as we mentioned on our previous video on Thursday. If the cards get into the team of the week, they should be going a bit up in price but then drop into Sunday. So for the cards that should get into team of the week, they should find a low point on Sunday. Of course, this low point won't be the lowest point that they were in the previous days, but it will be like a lower point before going even more up. Many of the cards who won't perform can also find a pretty low point on Sunday after all games are over. As we've said, the lowest price cards that are now hovering over 35k value will 100% tank in price then, but the other cards are more tricky to evaluate. Yes, the ones that will be playing good and maybe won't have a good game over the weekend, their low point could be on Sunday. But the ones who will play good and not get into the next team of the week should drop in price Wednesday, Thursday. The ones that won't perform well this weekend but are guaranteed to play many games in their clubs will almost definitely have a low point on Sunday. To explain this logic, many people who will gamble on these ones to watch cards won't sell them and wait for them to have a good game. As if they play in their clubs, they will just wait for them to go up. However, if the supply is still in place, the cards will go low anyways this week, as there should be less demand on them on these specific days. I know many think the Lunar New Year will bring these prices down of ones to watch players, and trust me, they will. But if a player plays good and gets good playtime, his price should stay at the high values. If a player has a great game, even during the market dip or crash, he will either way go up in price, maybe slightly lower than on a normal market, but still will be profitable. When to sell the ones to watch cards, this is really important. Let's take Salah for example, and how I made hundreds of thousands of coins on him this year. I bought Salah at the value of 300k. He scored 2 goals and made an assist one game and went up to 400k of value. So sold Salah at 400k, as I knew that was some sort of hype. During the week he went back down to 380k, and at the announcement when he was not in team of the week, he fell to the likes of 340k. So the best time to sell Salah was in the hype when he scored those goals. Another example can be seen on similar cards, which is Path to Glory Pastore. The card was sitting at 40k of value when he had a good game, and I bought it. Now, since this card is lower in value, it's more likely that the casual players will tend to buy more of him. This year, it is really profitable to play your cards on casual players, as they gradually push the cards up in value. The cards went to the likes of 55k once Futhead announced the team of the week prediction. Even if the card won't get in, you can profit on smaller ones to watch cards if you buy them late in the evening of the day they had a good game and just wait a few days. Keep in mind that Pastore went in the hype to 50k and fell down to 40k later in the evening, so you must wait for the buying hype to be over to jump in the increased supply. Tomorrow tonight, I'm looking to invest already on some specific ones to watch cards. Unfortunately, my journal is filled up, but if you have any questions regarding any specific ones to watch players, don't hesitate to drop them below. As I said, the ones to watch are the trickiest cards to invest in right now, but also probably the ones that will take the lowest dip over the market crash if you invest in them in this very time. I hope this video was helpful and somewhat explained different scenarios, but I'm definitely buying some of these cards soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see ya next time.